This is a 2016 Honda Odyssey EX. This has a rebuilt title. There are 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. The AutoCheck report gives this a score of 83 out of 91, which is pretty good, all things considered. This Honda Odyssey can seat up to 8. There's the middle row seat if you would need to use the 8th seat. And then these back row, and here's your storage area. I'll show you how flat these back seats go. So you just pull on that and then it folds nice. The floor mats are there, so it's not gonna go completely flat, but it will go completely flat, and this side does it as well. That little seat built, and then you just pull it up. Okay, I'm making this a lot harder than it should have been, but it's pretty simple. And that's beeping at me because I have the key in my pocket. This is the push button start. Okay, there's the rims and the tread on the tires. Tires are pretty new. You can still see those, I don't know what they're called, but they're pretty new tires. You have the power door, power sliding doors. And as I mentioned earlier, you can choose to have the bucket seats for the middle row or put that 8th seat in, and it would clip in right there. Here's the 3rd row. And then the back passengers can also have a sunshade, which is kind of nice. Kids especially enjoy that. There's the controls and your air control for the 3rd. It's a tri-zone climate control. And that is what the front dashboard looks like. And we'll go over here so I can show you everything. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your controls for the steering wheel. You have cruise control. You can pair your phone, keep your hands free. And then there's your slider door controls from the front, has power locks and power windows. That screen is where your backup camera is. And then there's your tri-zone climate controls. And then you have a USB, 12 volt and auxiliary. Here you have a cup holder and a coin storage. And then you have another storage right here. So plenty of storage spots. And there's the middle console. And then up here, you need to view there's your sunglass holder, but then you can also have it so you can view the back passengers and see that they're doing the ride. You also have garage door transmitters. If you are looking for a van that seats 8, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Odyssey out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx, and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!